Hi peeps, Diana here from Pure Pro. And we had 2 feet of snow yesterday, so this is not merely a fashion accessory. It's become a necessity. And anybody in the Northeast can probably relate to that. Another thing I wanted to tell you about and share with you is our muscle and joint synergy, essential oil synergy. And this is also a necessity for this time of year because it is phenomenal for sore muscles, strains, snow shoveling injuries. It is a combination of essential oils that are nervines. And a nervine is an essential oil or plant derivative that supports the nervous system. These are particularly great for the neuromuscular system. I've got sweet birch in here, which is phenomenal, as I'm sure you all know, and eucalyptus, black pepper, ginger, both phenomenally warming and great at bringing circulation to the surface of the skin. Cedar, Virginian cedarwood, also an amazing soothing oil for the nervous system, as well as Siberian fir needle. Has been used for centuries for pain relief, as well as the Scotch spearmint, which is a nice, bright, clean combination. And you can add some drops of this to your oil, lotion, or cream and just apply it and work it in. Or it's also phenomenal in your diffuser in your treatment room. It will clean and clear the air. It's great for decongesting. I've even used it during allergy season. One other thing I wanted to talk to you about briefly is our Arnica Therapeutic Concentrate and the Muscle and Joint Synergy. Bing! If you combine these two, it is absolutely exponential in terms of helping people with bruising, neuromuscular pain, really working deep into knotted sclerotic tissue. And I've got more information on the email as to how to use it, but basically I would recommend about 5 drops of the Arnica concentrate and again 3 drops of the muscle and joint synergy into an ounce of carrier oil, lotion, cream, whatever it is you normally use. Mix them well and apply. And I think you'll see some amazing results. And I welcome your feedback. I actually would love to hear how it works for you. Spring will come.